What's up, Turbo Rivers? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel of Car Enthusiasts. Today in front of us is the all-new XUV 700 Blaze Edition. This is the AX7L top of the line variant. This costs 25,000 more than the normal AX7L variant. Alright guys, so this is their matte edition, if you want to call it, because this is a red color finish in matte, okay, which looks good. Everyone is doing a black matte edition. Mahindra has come out with a unique color, a red matte edition, okay, but this is called the Blaze edition. All right, it is powered by the same motor, the 2.2 liter diesel engine, which churns 185 horsepower with 480 newton meters of torque. There is no changes as such from the exterior except for the color and the badging of the Blaze edition, which I will be showing you in a moment. I will put the bonnet down and you guys can see how the car looks with the bonnet down. Okay, this is the engine layout, which we are already aware of. We have insulation over here. Okay, it's a very powerful diesel engine. We are all aware, 2.2 liter diesel engine you get with this particular car. So let us close the bonnet and explore the exterior look altogether. Closing the bonnet, and that's how you close it. Okay, so guys, let's jump straight to the front fascia. You get your Mahindra logo over here finished in chrome. This is the black design over here, and this is your radiator grille. Okay, looks very aggressive, very chunky. All right, finished in black all over. This is your C-shaped DRL over here with a reflector headlamp treatment. You get white LED lights in this. Your fog light treatment is over there. This is finished in black, this portion over here, and you get a towing hook placed over here. All right, you get your front parking camera placed over here. No front parking sensors. I don't see front parking sensors whatsoever, guys. All right, it's pretty much the same look from the front. It is just that the color is different, as you guys can see. What are your thoughts about the color, guys? Do let me know. बारिश हो रही है कैलकाटा में बहुत, तो car is a little dirty and wet. All right, but still, let's keep going. Okay. Coming to the side profile of the car, this is your body cladding running from here all the way to the rear, and you get 235/60 R18-inch black colored alloy wheels over here. Mahindra logo in the middle, disc brakes in the front. All right. Over here, ORVM treatment. You get your blind spot monitoring camera over here. This is the co-driver's side. Turn indicators, but the ORVM is finished in black. Okay. Over here, you get your Land Rover style, treatment for the door opening knob over here, and you get a request sensor as well. Those three dots. I don't know if you can see, but this is the request sensor ka dot. And same story over here at the rear. Fuel treatment over here. Disc brakes at the rear, same tire size, same rim, of course. You get roof rails, not functional. This is just a design. Huge panoramic sunroof. I don't know if you guys can see. और मैं अंदर जाकर दिखाऊंगा ही, यहाँ से देख लो आप. So panoramic sunroof भी मिलता है आपको यहाँ से भी. I don't know. Let me just show it to you from here. You can see the panoramic sunroof. All right. My finger got stuck in this. Okay. So ठीक है, देख के खोलना पड़ेगा. You get Adrenox का badging over here. All right. This is your tail lamp setup LED में. Okay. Let me know your thoughts. What do you guys think? You get your wiper treatment, rear defogger, your shark fin antenna, and this roof is finished in black. So dual tone का treatment दिया गया guys इसमें. XUV 700 का badging इधर है, AX7L का badging इधर है. Rear camera is over here. Parking sensors, you get one over here, two over here, and that's about it. Two parking sensors, reflector treatment over here and over here. This is the edition, Blaze edition का badging है यहाँ पे, as you can see. This is your huge diffuser treatment. Okay, the car is massive, guys. I like the design of this car a lot. It really gives a proper SUV wala feel, guys. And when you're sitting also on the driver's seat, you get a good view, commanding position as well. I like the design as well. Let me know your thoughts. What do you guys think? ये अभी गाड़ी start हुई है. You can see the high mounted stop lamp in action. This is the story of the boot. Okay, you get 50-50 split. वहाँ पे 60-40 split भी मिलता है आपको if you want to carry more luggage, of course. All right. So boot space can be increased, and I believe this row will mostly be used to increase the boot carrying capacity, which I feel. Okay. So let me know your thoughts. What do you guys think? This is your warning triangle storage over here, tool storage over here. Okay. Closing this. All right. And your spare wheel treatment is over here, guys. Steel rim hai. Okay. So that's what it is. We're going to be closing this. Nothing much to explore at the rear. We have already done the black edition of this particular car. You can go and check that out over here. वो वीडियो भी आप चेकआउट कर सकते हो. Let me know your thoughts. Which color do you prefer, the black one or this one? और अगर आपने ये गाड़ी चेकआउट की है, बुक की है, कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है आपका? Do let me know your thoughts. Alright. So coming to the driver's side, it's the same story. You get the Blaze Edition badging over here. Alright, on this side. But उस साइड में नहीं था. So आपको एक rear में मिलता है और एक driver side में Blaze Edition का badging मिलता है guys. So this is what it is. This is the side profile of the car. Let me know your thoughts. What do you guys think of the color, the design? Of course, this car has been out for a very long time. Design is still the same, but the color is different. तो आपका क्या thoughts है exterior में? You can let me know. Alright. So one more thing, wanted to show you. इसमें 360 camera option मिलता है आपको. यहाँ पे भी blind spot monitoring camera है. So exterior has been explored top to bottom. Let's get inside the vehicle and see what do we have in terms of comfort, convenience and features. Let's get inside straight away. As we're about to get inside the vehicle now, you can see in front of me, this is the driver function over here. This is your door lock and unlock function, window locking function, auto window function over here, and this is your ORVM functions. You get electronically adjustable seats with memory function 1, 2, 3. Alright, this is your door opening knob finished in silver. This is finished in glossy black. Soft touch over here. Hard plastic, speaker treatment. Nice big door storage over here. Tweeter treatment. Sony का आप देख सकते हो speakers है इसमें, so which is neat. That means the sound output is going to be amazing. Alright, let's focus over here. As you can see, this is your seat treatment finished in leather and red, and थोड़ा सा red का texture यहाँ पे दे दिया है perforation में. Okay, so getting inside. Very easy to get inside. Alright, and closing the door. The door third as usual is always amazing. और ये सीट मेरे को अपने आप आगे लेके जा रही है because इसमें memory function है. ये सीट welcome function भी, of course it goes back. Alright, when you open the door. So let me mention that to you as well. Let's do a soft start of the vehicle. You can see the digital display. It is like that. Okay, needle swipe function, which is pretty neat. The digital display in this car looks really cool in my opinion, guys. आपके क्या thoughts आप बोल सकते हो? इसमें आपको MID टॉगल करने पे ये सारे फंक्शंस मिल जाते हैं. ड्राइव इन्फो, फ्यूल इन्फो, व्हीकल इन्फो, नेविगेशन, ड्राइवर असिस्ट, डिस्प्ले लेआउट, सेटिंग्स, अलर्ट हिस्ट्री, एंड दैट्स अबाउट इट. यू कैन प्रेस दिस बटन एंड सिलेक्ट एंड टॉगल ऑल्सो अकॉर्डिंगली. इसको हम टायर प्रेशर मॉनिटरिंग सिस्टम भी आपको दिखा रहा है. लो है आगे का राइट टायर का. ओके, एंड दैट्स अबाउट इट. देन सेटिंग्स में व्हाट डू यू गेट? Driver assistance, AF auto reset, passenger airbag, blind view monitoring, drowsiness detection, TPMS auto learn, tire fill assist, sound, clock type, factory reset. So these are your options over here in the settings menu. And alert history की बात करें, so what do we get over here? No warnings available right now. Okay, so drive info की बात करें, what do we have over here? This is your time, this is your driver attention level, which is high, trip A, trip B, and that's about it, guys. Coming to the fuel info, we get the range over here and we get the DEF level indication as well. So that is also there. I think vehicle info हमने देख लिया है, but let's do it once again. क्या फर्क पड़ता है? Power and torque नहीं देखा हमने, we're just exploring. And tire temperature भी है, that option is also available. The display is very smooth, very slick to use. Okay, and that's about it. Navigation है इसमें, driver assist में हम एक बार देख लेते हैं. What do we have over here? And that's your driver assistance system activated. Alright, so let's go back and that's about it, guys. Okay, इसके स्क्रीन पे आते हैं हम लोग. So इसमें आपको of course drive modes मिलते हैं, which is this is a diesel vehicle, so you get zip, zap, zoom and custom mode. This is your start stop function over here. मैं आपको functions दिखा दूँ सारे. Traction control, hill descent, and this is your auto start stop with your headlight adjuster over here. This is your passenger airbag on and off car system. This is your seatbelt warning. This is your hazard light function. इसका hazard light का function indicator का आवाज I really like. It's different from the rest of the crowd. This is your 360 degree camera view. The camera angle भी आप adjust कर सकते हो. Camera quality is also pretty decent, guys. Alright, screen capture भी कर सकते हो. Store आप gallery में भी इसको store कर सकते हो. You have screenshot option in this as well. Okay, so turning this off. Alright, and over here you get screensaver disabled का option भी है यहाँ पे, तो वो भी आप कर सकते हो. Drive modes की बात करें तो you get zip, zap, zoom and customs, जो सिर्फ डीजल गाड़ी में ही आता है, guys. According to your liking, you can choose your mode and drive. Alright, so that's one thing. Home function में जाए, we get radio Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Music, phone function, navigation and your applications में आपको ये सारे applications are available to you India today. My SUV, Judge Dial, Ticker Tape, Travel Explorer. You can pause the video and check it out for yourself as well. ये Bluetooth setting, ये device list, ये add devices, ये BT discoverability. Okay, so all the options are there. Adrenox का ये सिस्टम है guys, as you can see, and ये बहुत ही प्रीमियम लगता है guys. It looks very premium. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And this is a very premium looking steering wheel as well. This is finished in charcoal black kind of a color. This is a leather wrap steering wheel with the red stitching, which makes it look a bit more sportier. You get a flat bottom over here, glossy black finish over here, glossy black. Your buttons are finished in as well. Okay, your console is also finished in glossy black and red, as you can see. This is your toggle function. You know, you can select your you can basically increase and decrease the volume with this as well, and this is your return function, star button, call button यहाँ पे है. Okay, you get electronic parking brake over here, auto hold function. This is your gearbox, PRND यहाँ system है. Twin cup holders over here. This is your armrest storage guys, and this is your key storage. ये आप खोल सकते हो, detachable है. Okay, closing this this is your glove box storage, which is lit up, which is big enough. Okay, all soft touch material. Okay, red stitching आप देखो वहाँ, red finish है borders में, AC के vent के, as well as you guys can see. Okay, and this is all hard plastic over here, but you still get manually dimming IRVM. This is not yet updated. It still comes with manually dimming IRVM. This is your sunglass holder. This is to open the sunroof over here. All right, ये SOS का function है. This is to open the sunroof over here. All right, this is the light function. Okay, I'm just gonna switch off the car. All right, the car is off. Okay, this is your light function over here, finished in white. This is your sunroof function, huge panoramic sunroof आप देख सकते हो. Vanity mirrors की बात करें तो आपको mirror मिलता है with light function over there. Of course, you get the same over here. No, you don't get a ticket holder also for this side. Okay, there's no grab handle over here, grab handle treatment over here without any hook, speaker treatment over here and over here as well guys. Okay, more or less we've explored everything what we have on offer in the driver's seat, in the co-driver's seat and the dash. Okay, and the view is very commanding. Okay, ORVM की बात करें, ORVMs are big enough guys, which is decent in my opinion. Now let's get to the second row and see what do you have on offer over there. Getting inside the second row now guys. The सीट की कंफर्ट की बात करें तो सीट बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल है. ओके, एंड फॉर अ गाय हु 6 feet tall it's very easy to enter and exit. Alright, I think for people who are slightly shorter, step होता तो would have been good, but it's okay. I think step would have ruined the look of the car, so good they have not added the step in this car. Alright, so बात करें leg room की, everything, this is positioned to my driver's position. Okay, and you've got plenty of knee room. Alright, you've got plenty of foot room. Okay, and under thigh support is also pretty good. Alright, this is what it is on offer in terms of rear spacing. You get 2 rear AC vents also. You get USB-C ka charging socket as well. Some storage over here which you can place. And in terms of charging socket, one more thing, you get 2 charging sockets in the front also, which are USB-A guys. Okay, which I forgot to show you all. And yeah, इसमें wireless charging भी आता है. You get seat pockets over here, which is neat. Leather seats है. I think I've already mentioned. Armrest है यहाँ पे, but I cannot open it because गाड़ी में plastic पूरा लगा हुआ है. The panoramic sunroof looks really good and massive guys. Okay, I think if you're a sunroof fan and if you are chauffeur driven and if you're sitting at the rear most of the time, you're going to enjoy the view, which is, you know, upar. Alright, so you're going to love it if you're going for long drives and everything. So it's going to be amazing. Of course, panoramic sunroof looks really good. All right, and what else? Are we missing anything over here? Nothing missing as such. Okay, you get your light treatment over here, finished in white. You get your hook treatment with the grab handle over here. Okay, and you get your speaker treatment over there and over here as well. Okay, and that's pretty much it. We've explored everything in terms of second row space. Okay, let's get in the third row. वैसे third row हमने explore किया है already in the SUV, in the XUV 700, the black edition. Okay, you can go and check that video out. I think I've already placed the link. Okay, you can go and check that out. So guys, this is how it tumbles. यहाँ पे एक बटन है, आप उसको ऊपर करते हो और ये tumble हो जाता है. That is the rear space which we have already explored in the XUV 700 black edition. I think I was very happy with the space, and I won't be disappointed right now as well. As you can see, okay. So this is what the space is on offer. All right, इसको हम करते हैं. Oh, comedy हो गया यहाँ पे. हाँ, इसको हम करते हैं ऊपर. And that's about it. Space ठीक है यार. You see, of course, you can't expect a lot of space in the third row. Okay, that is asking for too much, in my opinion. But it's still pretty spacious, guys. It has more space than the Safari. It has more space than the Jeep. Jeep Meridian. Yeah, I forgot the name only. It has more space than the Jeep Meridian as well. Okay, and it has more space than the Kodiaq. Okay, which is upwards of 50 lakhs. All right. So I'm talking about the 7-seaters I've sat in. Okay, उससे ज़्यादा ही space है इसमें. All right. So it's very well managed in terms of third row spacing. Okay. And what do you get over? You get cup holders over here, cup holder over there. You get your AC vent over here. You can adjust the blower over there. यहाँ पे 12 watt charging socket भी मिलता है आपको. यहाँ पे भी AC का blower है, but adjustment setting नहीं है. All right. And speaker setup over. This is your speaker setup. No, this is your subwoofer setup, guys. Okay. You get your subwoofer setup. XUV 700 is written over here as well. All right. And if you want to get out, just pull this, and it tumbles. So that's pretty easy, guys. Okay, let's get outside and conclude the video. So guys, this is my video of the XUV 700 Blaze Edition. Alright, there are only few changes in the vehicle. Okay, the exterior color and certain aspects of the interior. Okay, more or less the car is the same. Okay, not very much different. Okay, so this is what it is, guys. This is my most favorite car in this segment, guys, because it looks killer. It has great third row spacing. It feels solid. Okay, it has a powerful engine as well in terms of diesel and petrol in this segment. Okay, and overall this car fulfills all your needs. Okay, which I feel, if you want a big car with great road presence, with a panoramic sunroof, okay, with a good power output as well. If you're a diesel fanatic or a petrol head, it doesn't matter. I think it fulfills all your needs. All right. So in this budget, in this segment, I think this is the best car, in my opinion, guys. But आपका अपना opinion हो सकता है. You can let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think Mahindra has nailed it out of the park, or they could have made some things better with this particular edition? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you have been watching for so far, don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and press the bell notification icon so you don't miss any of my future uploads. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care and stay safe. Bye bye.